Tim is a project manager in a mechanical engineering company. He manages several huge projects at the same time. One of them is the development and production of a warehouse system, a complex project because Tim's own divisions and many external suppliers are working on it at the same time. Coordinating this value chain is part of Tim's job. Tim has to keep track of the project progress of all responsible persons and trade sections. This is the only way he can stay on schedule. In the past, it took him more than 1 day a week to request and prepare all the information. Today, Tim uses the platform Linetrack and saves this time. Here he can load in an existing project plan or configure a new one in his web browser. He easily assigns project sections to external suppliers and integrates them into the project in a compliant way. They are automatically invited to collaborate on the platform free of charge and trained with a short video. All project information is automatically queried at the respective due date and clearly prepared. Tim can share this information in real time with his superiors or clients. In this way, Tim uses the platform Linetrack to ensure efficient collaboration and greater planning reliability throughout the entire value chain. Do you want to take your project coordination to the next level? Book your free consultation appointment now.